How to add emoji on CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to add emoji on your CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now enter your project. After you enter the project, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on text. Once you click on text, tap on add text. Now select the emoji from your keyboard. Once you select it, you'll be able to add emoji. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add emoji on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. Bye bye.